Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library and this is for my program Colorín Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy y esto es para mi programa Colorín Colorado. Today I read the book called The Sloth Who Slowed Us Down. And this is a book about a very slow sloth who comes to live with a very, very fast family. So if you're interested in this book and you didn't hear me read it, or you want to hear it again, feel free to come to the library to check it out. So my craft for today is this very simple little sloth, and you can make his arms move. In your craft packet, you will find his pieces. So we have a head, 2 arms, and his body, and these are already hole punched, as well as 2 brads. You will also find some string, some green string, and then some uncolored leaves, but here are mine already colored, as well as 2 more brads for them. So let's get started. We'll start by taking our body, and of course we're going to color all of these pieces. These are not going to be colored because I already colored my example, but we are going to start by taking our body and then gluing on our head, just like that. And then we are going to take one of our brads, put it through the hole punch in one of the arms, and then put it through his body, open the back up like this, and make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then we'll do the exact same thing to the other side. All right, and now that both of his arms are on there, we're going to take 2 of our leaves, and we're going to put one in front of the other, and then through the hole we are going to put another brad and open it up just like that. And we'll do the same thing to the other 2, just like that. And then we'll take our string, we can put it under our little sloth's arms like this, and then put some leaves on there like this on either side of him, just like this. And now your little sloth friend can be on display in your room, or maybe in the living room, on the fridge, wherever you want to put him, and he looks so cute. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.